So got that wrong.
Right, so the matrices A and B are given by these two 2x2 matrices. Find AB. Well, this should be an easy 2 marks, shouldn't it? AB is what you get when you multiply them together. We can all do that. So that's going to be 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. 5. 2 times 0 plus 1 times 2. 2. 4 times 1 plus 3 times 3, that's 13. And 4 times 0 plus 3 times 2 is 6. And so we get that. Phew, got it right. Good. Part 2. Now, of course, we have a number of choices about how we do this. We have A and B. So we could find the inverse matrices of A and B and multiply them together. It's probably quite a long way round to do it. It's only 3 marks. But we could do that. It would work. Alternatively, we could recognise that if you take the matrix AB and find its inverse, then what you get is inverse A times inverse B. Remember, the order swaps around when you take the inverse of the whole thing. So there's kind of a mark for recognising and using that fact. So that means that if that's what we want, actually the question is saying find the inverse of what you did in part A. So the inverse of that is 1 over the determinant, which is 5 times 6 minus 13 times 2. And then, almost everybody remembered this right, but I think 1 or 2 people got really mixed up about how they deal with this finding the inverse of this. So we swap the leading diagonal and we change the sign of the other diagonal. And I think I'd probably be happy, well, I think it was all that was required was to give your answer like that. Of course, if you took the quarter inside, then if you're going to do that, you need to write things in the simplest form, but you could do that, and that would be, what was it, 3 over 2 minus a half minus 13 over 4 and 5 over 4. But that's your 3 marks, either of those would do it. Everybody happy? Great.